All right, guys, it's time for dinner. I'm going to be making something special. I'm roasting lamb shank. Oh, I love lamb. All right, got that bone exposed. Got a touch of olive oil here. Just want it oily so that all the herbs will stick to it. All right, we got some coarse salt. Some black pepper. We're gonna set it over this fire and just sear the outside. Oh yeah, nice sear on that. Now we're gonna roast it slow and low. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some rosemary, thyme, and parsley to the roast. Oh my goodness, this smells amazing and it sounds amazing. All right, I got a little Indian butter curry and some instant rice to go with my lamb here.